Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 1, Nigeria 1. I'm joined by the best.
Still grand.
Give me that, coach.
Moja love, still. It's still working the street.
Back.
I wish it could have been a different score.
Yes.
Maybe Bafana 2, Nigeria 1.
Yeah.
But if you look at it, we didn't score.
True.
Nigeria scored
For us.
both games.
Yeah.
But there is a reason why Nigeria scored.
Why, coach?
It's mainly because Nkota was at the right position at the right time.
Yeah.
You see, and
Yeah.
I think had the defender missed that ball, Foster had a chance of tapping in.
Nalite.
You see.
Nalite behind the defense. Yeah.
For me, Sipho, when before the game started, on paper Nigeria looks better than us.
Yes.
They've got more international
Players.
yeah, whom we believe they are playing in the best leagues in the world.
EPL.
Yeah. But if you look at it, for me, it's Nigeria, it's a house, we are a home. Nigeria is a beautiful house,
Yeah.
but it does not have a home.
Okay.
I'd rather have a home.
Yeah,
You
definitely.
see. So
yeah.
on paper, South Africa is playing as a family. We're playing as one.
Yes.
You see, whereas Nigeria is individual brilliance.
Yeah.
You see, so just to get into the game,
Those empty homes,
empty home, yeah,
can't space.
yeah. So doesn't really matter.
I got listing Joes.
Well, so I looked at it, Steve. You know, we got the first foul at the first minute.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
The second foul was done on the second minute, 37 seconds.
Okay.
Our first box entry was on the 4th minute from Apollo's crossing to Unkota.
Sharp.
On the 9th minute, we had a foul on Sipho Mbule.
Yeah.
12th, we had a foul on Tabes.
Sure.
Now, if you look at that, it tells you already that Nigeria came here physical.
Yeah, definitely.
You see, they came here to bully us.
Yeah.
I think that's the reason why we saw the starting lineup having Batuzi Obas instead of Mbat.
Yes.
Because Batuzi, if you look at physically wise, he can fight.
He's a big man.
He's a big man.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
So it made sense. When I looked at it, I'm like, okay, it makes sense.
Like for like.
Yeah, it's a like for like. I mean, if Nigeria is going to come bully us,
Yeah.
we will have the middle fielder to protect our defense.
Yeah.
Going into the game, I was just a bit worried about our defense because for me, it's a total new back four.
Okay.
You see, but I loved what the coach did. You have Umudunyela and Usamukelo on the left.
Yes.
Whom, for me, their defensive job, their primary job. So I think the coach picked the back four to say, I want you to stick to your primary job.
Who defend.
Fair. And that's what we did. I mean, we were not caught off guard with the balls behind us because in most cases we always had a back three.
Yeah.
Our rest defense was always three instead of having two because, normally we'd have Vorvai and Obru on the other side, whom are more offensive.
Yes.
But with the two that we introduced today, I honestly believe they played very well. I honestly believe they played very well. Mudunyela, for me, remember what I said, God works in mysterious ways.
Sure, coach.
He got an opportunity against Nigeria. For me, he won all the 1v1 battles against him, especially in the first half, until he got injured. So why would you drop him next game?
You can't. He
did what he had to do.
Yeah.
You get me still.
Yeah.
And then I look at the other box entry that we did, which is from Apollos. I think it was on the 19th minute.
Sure.
But then you look at that, it tells you on the 20th, within the first 20 minutes, we had yellow cards.
Yes.
We had fights.
Yes.
We had chances that is being created. So for me, South Africa won the first from the 0 minute until the 40th minute.
Yeah.
We lost the game from the 40th minute. Yeah, that's when Nigeria had their first corner. And ever since, if you go back and look at that from the 40th, I think 39th until the 45th, the ball was always in our half.
Yes.
You get me?
Yes.
They were always attacking us until I don't know if it's a mistake from our defense or what, but I don't know how best could we have dealt with that ball. I don't know, Steve. Well, one can come and say it's a handball. The rule also says it is a handball, but the other rule says when you are in attack, if you head it and it hits your hand, it needs to be given as a handball. But I always say that's the beauty of football. Such decisions. Yes, they had us because we're South Africans, but they benefited Nigeria.
Yeah.
Had it been vice versa, we would have benefited. So those are the moments of football, emotions.
Yeah.
This is what you get from.
This is what we live for.
The football, Sipho. You see, so I think that's where we lost the game. We played very well from the first minute until the 40th.
Yeah.
But ever since then, we didn't look. I don't know whether we went to halftime before the ref blew the whistle.
Yeah.
Or we just lacked concentration. You see, and look at how are we being punished. We are being punished on what I think most South Africans were worried about, which is aerial balls.
It's simple. So,
for me, I feel we dealt with it very well because we cut the crosses.
Yes.
But the only time they managed to get a cross in,
they scored.
Eish. You
so
see,
hard,
so it's Sipho, it's a hard pill to swallow, my brother. But it looked. I don't know, man. I think it's a fair result. Is it a fair result? I think so. It's a fair result.
Why?
They got the opportunity. They scored it.
Yeah.
We got our opportunity. I feel we could have scored 2.
Yeah.
I feel we could have scored 2, but we didn't create enough chances to score 2. Yeah. But I loved what they did. I mean, creating isolation for Nkota on the other side. You see, just before it closes, Sipho. I hate going on to 1v1s, but I want to show you something about football. Nkota is 30 in the national team.
Yeah.
You see, and this is a player that most Pirates fans thought there's still more to develop.
Yeah, it's true.
He's a national team player now. He's a starter.
First man.
Yeah. You have Mboga as a 19-year-old. Hence why I say let's stop calling them youngsters. He's in the national team. For me, he played very well.
Excellent.
He's cementing his position.
Yeah.
I mean, how many left-footed centre back? The last left-footed centre, it was Dotley from Chiefs.
Yes.
He got injured. Mbogas is given a chance. He's playing well.
Grab the opportunity.
You see, so for me, everyone who was given a chance played. I was extremely impressed with Mbule.
Sipho.
Yeah, pressed with caution. There's a ball like in 77th minute.
Yeah.
Sipho was come press with caution. Check up a no I think Melt, we've got a good team, and big ups to Madala, Melt. We might say whatever that we want, but Hugo's doing well. If you look at the injuries that we had, even today we had a forced injury. Hence why we saw Umunyani coming in, being given a chance to play. You see, so I think South Africa played very well. We could have done better. I don't think so, because I think majority of us, we look at the log, we forget who Nigeria is.
Yes, they are giants.
Those are African giants. Yeah. Maybe it's starting to go down, but not yet there. Or else we are doing what? We are rising.
Yes.
Hence why I'm saying we can take it. We can take the results. I mean, at the end of the day, we are still top of the log. Yeah. So congrats to South Africa. Hopefully Lesotho does the job against Benin. Yeah. For me, man of the match, Police.
Why Police?
Sipho, our threads, all of our threads came from Police and then to Nkota. Hence why I would have introduced Ureinas with Police instead of taking Police out. And I'll tell you why. With Reinas is a striker. If we bring him in on that Mbule's position, you already have a striker with
behind
a striker. So you're going to be playing a false 9. And now Reinas is going to give you what? Pace. So what does it say to Nigeria's defense? We can't push over because this guy might kill us. Not to drag it, Sipho. Once again, congrats to Bafana.
Thank you, coach.